Introduce highlight features or overview summary of FixIdea above ground pool skimmer kit, wide mouth opening through-wall skimmer. There are features include Thru-Wall Skimmer kit. Outer dimensions, 13-9/16 inch, wide, x 7-9/16 in, height, inner dimensions, 11-15/16 inch, wide, x 5-5/16 inch, height. This is made of durability, heavy-duty ABS plastic, rugged, impact-resistant, one-piece construction that won't warp in hot or cold conditions. Comes complete with, this wide-mouth through-wall skimmer kit includes the pool skimmer body cover, pool skimmer weir, faceplate cover, skimmer basket, gasket, vacuum plate, hose fitting adapter, return fitting, 32 stainless steel screws. ABS pool return jet fitting. To better promote pool water circulation and keep your pool water clear, our skimmer kits come with pool return nozzles. One of the nozzles includes a directional ring, washer, and hose adapter. Useful vacuum plate. For easy cleaning of the pool, our skimmer kit comes with a vacuum suction cup that can be attached to the skimmer on the hose. The adapter fits 1.25-inch or 1.5-inch pool vacuum hoses. Let's have fun swimming in the pool and have a great summer. Deep water basket. Its square mouth and deep water basket can catch everything floating on the surface of the water such as branches, leaves and more. Please check your dimensions prior to purchasing to make sure that this will be the same fit. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.